Hi, Dr. Austin here from Results Aligned Chiropractic, and just doing another quick video to answer a question I get asked fairly often. And that question is, what is the popping or cracking noise people hear when someone's had a chiropractic adjustment? So I can assure you it's not bones rubbing together like some people have asked me. What it is around the joints in the spine, or in the joints in the spine, we have a fluid called synovial fluid, and it's a lubricating fluid, and it's the same as we have in other joints in the body, like the knee or the hip or the shoulder. And within that fluid is a bubble of gas, and it's mostly nitrogen. And what happens as we deliver the adjustment, you get a very minute stretch on the joint, and as there's a pressure change, that bubble of gas disperses, and that's the popping noise we hear.